system update being pushed for the TiVo Stream 4K. Now, this is something I've been actually checking for every day. Actually, every day I come back to the TiVo, I check it. I know there were some bugs. I just wanted to see if they were pushing update to fix some of these issues that people have reported. So today I went to check for update. It said it was up to date, and then bam, all of a sudden it started doing this. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. Sorry I didn't have any information as to what was updated because it didn't tell me, but hopefully there's a summary where we can see exactly what was fixed. And I'll check their webpage in the meantime, guys. There's got to be some documentation of what they're fixing. But as for now, TiVo Stream 4K is doing an update. Like I said, this was kind of impromptu. Didn't catch it from the update screen, but it grabbed it, started doing a reboot, and here we are. So I'll go ahead and fast forward the video till it's done. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash that notification bell. Also, brand new giveaway, ton of RGB accessories from Tilted Nation. Go ahead and check that video out. Make sure you enter for your chance to win. So first thing, to get to your update, go to your settings, go down to device preferences, click on about, and then check for system update. Now this is where I got caught up. I hit it right there. It did that, and then I thought it was up to date, and bam, it started updating. Now TiVo did send out an email, and it looked like it went to my junk folder, but this is the updates or changes that were made. So dear TiVo customer, we hope that you're enjoying the new TiVo Stream 4K. Today we wanted to make you aware of two important updates that were pushed last night to your device that will make your experience even more enjoyable. First one listed is the black screen issue, and this is something I got a lot of message about, and I've actually communicated this over to TiVo. For the black screen, they said some customers are experiencing a black screen when attempted to access the Android home screen. This has been resolved, and you will now be quickly able to reach the Android home screen when pressing the circle button. Didn't clarify whether it was still happening and the circle button actually just brings you home, or if it didn't happen anymore and you should be able to go home just pressing circle. So I haven't experienced the issue, but if you were experiencing, let me know how the update is working out for you. Please drop that comment in the comment section below. That will help a lot of people. So the second one is Ghost TV, so also referred to as CEC hijacking. So some customers are experiencing the TiVo Stream 4K randomly powering back on a TV or switching inputs. For me, the funny part of this is that I actually hooked it up to a TV that I had in the office. I disconnected it and I put it back on my video switcher, and now every time I press the power button, the same TV still comes on even though it's no longer connected. So that's something I'll be testing. Hopefully, actually, let me test it out now. Let me just push the power button. So that actually still turned my TV on. So probably not the issue that they resolved. This issue, I believe, is more of the IR learning the code from the TV through the connection somehow. Not sure if that's coincidence or because I connected it, but it's still turning on that TV even though it's not connected. This has been resolved, and you can now re-enable your TV CEC if you had previously disabled it. So again, like I said, I haven't experienced this issue, but a lot of questions came in during my initial review of this device. So if this fixed your issue, please drop it in the comment section below. So these updates are just in time for a great weekend of bringing in newest shows. Thank you for making TiVo part of your weekend. Sincerely, the TiVo team. So went through the update. Everything was exactly how it was before the update. I did go over to the software version that actually updated, and you can see the version right there on the screen. But I also wanted to know if they did any of the fixes, any of those requests that we actually sent out. So try to see if there's a way to kill the app. Of course, nothing there as well. Try to do the regular Ethernet adapters to it, different ones that didn't work before, those still didn't work. I was able to get one working, but I did a separate video on that, and I'll link that in the top right of this video as well. Last thing I wanted to verify is that in the TiVo app, did they start supporting more streaming services? So I went over there. Looks like it's still slinging the ones they had listed before. So just like they said, only the issues that were addressed in that email were worked on. So hopefully they'll start pushing more releases to address some of those issues and features that we're looking for. If you guys have any questions about this video, drop it in the comment section below. If you have any specific issues, drop it in the comment section as well. I'm sure other people are going through it, and maybe we can bounce ideas off each other. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.